Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and locating Security or Lock Screen options. This is where Android centralizes lock preferences. Once there, make sure you have your current PIN, pattern, or password, because Android will verify you before changes. Tap Screen Lock or Lock Screen to begin the change process, and choose the method you want to replace the existing one. Remember to keep the device unlocked while navigating so the system doesn't lock you out mid-change. Now you choose the new lock method. Pick pattern, PIN, password, or add biometrics like fingerprint or face. If you pick PIN or password, enter and confirm a strong, memorable code. If pattern, draw and confirm it twice. For biometrics, enroll a fingerprint or face by following the guided scans and make sure lighting and finger placement are steady. Once done, Android will save the new method and may ask you to set a fallback PIN or password. Follow prompts to complete enrollment. Finish by reviewing lock screen timeout and whether the device locks instantly. Adjust these so your phone balances security and convenience. Then lock the phone and test unlocking to verify the new method works reliably. If you discover you're locked out after the change, try the backup PIN or your Google account recovery options first, and only use a factory reset as a last resort because it erases data. Make sure to enable Find My Device and Backups to avoid future.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.